Hello there, and welcome to my studio. I figured today it was about time to do a tour of this space, so I'm glad you joined me today because it's gonna be fun. And you know, if by the end of the video you really enjoyed it, then I implore you to consider subscribing to my channel for more. All right, let's get started. Okay, let's start this tour off on the far left corner of the room and work our way around. In this cabinet, I keep my Harry Potter collection as well as some Lego sets we put together. This Hagrid hut was the first I ever got. And there is Privet Drive. I also keep my camera gear in here. Some acrylic gouache. Drawing books, of course, and in this pouch I keep my collection of Prismacolor pencils. The bottom shelf, I tried to keep kind of a mystical vibe going on in here, and this is where I keep most of my stamp collection. As well as this tea box full of old Polaroid photos. I like to look through these for just some inspiration and just remembering good times, and it gets me excited to make new stuff. My favorite is probably these photos we did in one of those photo booths in Japan that like alters your face and kind of gives you that anime look. Next to that cabinet is what I call my messy desk. So this is where I work with paints usually. I also have one of those rolling carts where I keep my gouache and watercolor. Even acrylic paints are in here. To the right of the messy desk is the set of pink drawers where I keep washi tape, some stationery, and all my wax seal supplies. Also seasonal stamps that I don't use super often. This is what I call my store in a drawer. So I keep my prints in here. There are some paintings I need to list again. And I keep my business cards in here, a scale to weigh orders, and just all sorts of packaging supplies. This drawer holds all the different paper that I use. Also some old paintings. I really need to organize that area. Also, I keep my bubble mailers in here and tissue paper. Okay, next to that dresser is the shelf that's directly behind my desk. And side note, my mom made me this mosaic bowl. I keep my sketchbooks here and the stickers that I ship out the most often. So when I get an order, I can just turn my chair around and grab those to put in an envelope. Next to that, I like to keep some stationery nearby so that I can write thank you notes to people as I'm packing orders. Also, how cute is this cookie tin? I got it in Hong Kong Disneyland. It was designed by Jared Maruyama. Under my stickers, I have this wine box that I keep the jewelry I make. So earrings and necklaces. I also keep some original paintings in here as well as prints. Next to that shelf is a set of drawers that I've decorated with some more wine boxes and paintings I make, as well as prints I got from shops I follow on Etsy. In these drawers I keep my vinyl sticker paper and my Avery laminating sheets. If you've watched any of my sticker making videos, you probably recognize some of this stuff. The bottom drawer has just extra printer paper and extra ink. Now the far right corner of the office has my Cricut machine and my printer. These are things I use on a daily basis, so they needed their own space. Now we move on to the desk, which is in the center of the room, complete with my new AirPod case, which I'm super obsessed with. It's so cute. The thing I love about this desk is the legs are sawhorses. That way I can use it for more storage, like my jewelry making supplies in this box. Kind of a mess. My printmaking supplies are in this one. And my marker collection is here, mostly Prismacolor markers, but also some Winsor Newton markers mixed in there. I hope you enjoyed that studio tour, and if you did, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the thumbs up, because that would really help me out. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!